Picture this. You wake up and boom, 86,400 rupees drop into your bank account.
86,400. That huge sum just magically appears in your account every single morning. Guaranteed.
But here's the catch. No savings allowed. Whatever you don't spend, it totally vanishes at midnight. You definitely spend it carefully, right? You'd never waste those rupees on things that make you miserable. Well, here's a crazy twist for you. You actually have this exact account right now. Except it's not measured in rupees. This personal account is measured entirely in seconds. The exact same rules apply. No refunds, no rollovers. Any unused time is just gone forever. So seconds spent on resentment, waiting, or endless distractions, those are permanently spent. You can't get them back. Think about it. Precious, unrecoverable seconds just slip away while we're mindlessly scrolling on our phones. Or think about those moments draining away in a meeting you literally didn't even need to attend. Now compare that to seconds spent just laughing with someone you deeply love. That's purposeful spending. Or time doing work you genuinely care about, because ultimately you assign the value to these transactions. Look, nobody spends time perfectly, but do you live like you can see that unseen timer ticking down? So, let me ask you, how are you spending your 86,400 seconds today? Your time is your life, and you are already spending it. The only question is, on what?